Sunday, Nicholas News reporting, also known as the Governor, the Tennessee Governor. So Nicholas News reporting, CNN Our Reporter of Memphis, inspire my generations of public service here at the Amazon Fulfillment Center in Chattanooga, Tennessee. And look at the crowd out here. So many people out here ready to hear President Barack Obama. Yes, that's President Barack Obama to speak to the audience here in the great state of Tennessee. So President Obama, I told you I was your pit high. CNN Our. Nicholas Pegues reporting, CNN Our Report in Action News 5, and this is a letter I received from President Barack Obama that Commissioner Heidi Schaefer of Memphis and Shelby County will be reading out.
Dear Nicholas, thank you for your kind note. Your thoughtful words join a chorus of millions of Americans who are eager to lead our nation towards a brighter tomorrow. Each day, I'm inspired by the encouraging messages of hope and determination I've received from people across the country. With the magnitude of challenges we face, we will only overcome them if our imagination is joined to common purpose. The future we leave to our children and grandchildren will be determined by our willingness to shoulder each other's burdens, take great risks, and move forward as one people and one nation. With your help, we will build on what we have already achieved and lay a new foundation for real and lasting progress. And it's signed, sincerely, Barack Obama, President of the United States.
Thank you, Commissioner Schaefer, and I will work hard as a Unified School Board Commissioner.
Thank you.